Hi, my name is Johanna, and this is my video for Activity 4. And in Activity 3, I believe I mentioned that I had two households when I was introducing my differences in meal habits and things. And so I stuck with my father for asking him about Activity 4 and Activity 5, and then in the comparison. So my father said that meals in our household were typically cooked from scratch and included a protein and a couple vegetables. He also mentioned that earlier in our lives, mine, my brother, and my sister, my step siblings, because that household was a family of five, as I had mentioned, that we were intentionally exposed to different cooking styles and different types of foods. And he was the predominant person to shop and prepare meals. And he would purposefully look for different items to prepare. Time constraints were more as we got older. The kids, us, as we got older, time constraints were a lot more of an issue, and they tried to go with the historical likes or dislikes of the majority. So we wouldn't eat certain things. We also wouldn't eat things like my brother was allergic to shellfish, so we never really had shellfish unless we went out to eat, just because it was easier to not have to do a completely different, because it's an allergy. You got to avoid that. Um, and initially, he said that our rules were more like suppers on the table, you can eat what you like, and that there wasn't much emphasis on cleaning your plate unless there wasn't much left of a vegetable or if it just wasn't chosen at all, because they did want to make sure that we were eating all of our food groups. And that there was a short-lived rule. I don't remember it as being as short-lived because I mentioned it as one of the main rules that we had, was that supper is on the table. If you don't like what is prepared, you can eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And I remember that as being much longer than he had said. He said that that was a short-lived rule. And he really wanted to make sure that there was just a family feeling of eating, so that apparently that is why it was short-lived, so that one person wasn't eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich while everyone else was eating whatever was prepared, because that made it less of a family activity. So that was his response on how we ate growing up.